guys, I'm happy today to show you how to make a beautiful cranberry colored stain with using a little bit of unicorn spit in the rustic reality along with some Molly red pepper, just a little bit, mixed with some water. You're just going to want to make sure that you mix it up really well. It's about 10 parts water to 1 part unicorn spit. From there, we're working on this little wooden pine tray that I got at our local hobby store. I went ahead and I removed all the hardware before doing this. And I just took a synthetic brush and I'm just applying that very watery stain right to the wood. And what's nice is it doesn't really matter about your brush strokes or your dexterity ability. You will not have brush strokes, lumps, or any type of inconsistency. It'll look flawless no matter what. As you can tell here, I have kind of a little bit of a problem with my wrist, but I'm able to get into those grooves using my synthetic brush, and you see that it is brush stroke free. All you see is the wood grain. It's gorgeous. As you know, unicorn spit will tell you when it's dry. It becomes kind of chalky and it becomes real bright. And you're like, oh no, I wanted this really rich, deep tone. Well, it becomes that to let you know that it's dry, and then you're able to go ahead and seal it with your favorite oil-based sealer. And this one I used a scented salve by Artistic Vibrations. This one has a beautiful scent and it absorbs right into the wood. So you can see there, it's a before and after. You can see which side is dry and which side is done. Well, here it is. It's absolutely beautiful, and it's just in time for Christmas with its beautiful cranberry color. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and until I see you again, be good, be blessed, and always let your creative juices flow. Goodbye.